What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipan from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're checking out Fable, the SaaS platform designed to create interactive demos and step-by-step guides for customer support, lead generation, and SOPs. If you're still taking screenshots and looking for gifts to create demos and support guides, stop right now and use Fable instead. This no-code platform is here to deliver truly interactive demos using your product's HTML. You just got to install the Chrome extension and then click Start Recording to record a product demo. Let's try this out on Google Calendar events. As you click through the product, Fable is capturing every interaction. When you stop the recording, you'll be able to create a new interactive demo. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've picked added design elements, the auto-stitching feature will generate an HTML version of your entire recording. Now look at this, a demo that follows the step-by-step recording to guide us through Google Calendar events. Fables makes it easier to create SOPs for your team, reduce support tickets, and generate new leads. Just click that Buy Now button to add it to your tech stack today. Alright, time to edit this new demo. Fable lets you edit everything, add new annotations, and tack on more steps using text and images. You can also customize the brand colors, effects, and CTA buttons. And the fun doesn't stop there. You can add lead forms with customizable HTML. So if you want to change any text, it's as easy as click and edit. Same goes for blurring, masking elements, and replacing images. So how can Fable actually to help you? Well, you can share personalized demos with sales prospects before calls, and you can create interactive pages for your entire knowledge base. No more screenshots and boring support documents. Fable lets you embed demos on any website, share them as links, or configure them with custom webhooks. This ain't just another screenshot tool. Fable can help you create interactive demos and guides faster than ever. So hop on this lifetime deal while you still can. Just click that Buy Now button to start using Fable today.